Kevin, where I interview local and area business owners on their business and what they're doing to overcome the current COVID-19 crisis and how they are engineering their business to not only survive, but thrive in the future. And today's guest is Tieson Lodahl with Epic Electrical. Thanks for coming on, Tieson.
Thanks, Kevin.
Great. Well, let's get started. So tell me a little bit about how you got into electrical and then what made you decide to go out on your own to start Epic Electrical.
Well, shortly after high school, doing miscellaneous construction work, I saw a commercial on television mention the exciting field of electrical and ordered correspondence course, got training, went into the field, green, no experience. 12 years later, I worked my way up to administrator, master electrician of the company I was with. And then the economic recession of 08-09 came, the company dissolved. I'm standing there going, what do I do now? So opened up my own business and started, been doing that since 2010, and here we are 10 years later with a whole new crisis.
Wow, that's incredible. So what is it that makes Epic Electrical, I can ask the question, what makes it so epic, but what is it that makes you different from any other electrical contractor?
Well, I guess one of the things that we try to provide at Epic is the customer first mentality, but also the team member first. They kind of go hand in hand. You know, we try to treat our team members as if they're our own family, or sometimes even better, so that, you know, we can provide them with the best training so that they can turn around and offer the best product, services, training to our clients as well. We like to offer the best warranties and guarantees in our industry.
Okay, interesting. So how has the COVID-19 crisis affected your business? Tell me what's happened.
Well, we were and are still considered an essential business just to maintain and provide the safety of our clients' home and business, their electrical. And when the COVID hit, it really put a lot of people into a scare, and the demand just dropped, and people were not calling in for services other than immediate demand. We were down to basically one employee running calls. It was tough. You know, we had to get super skinny just in order to keep the doors open. Things are starting to slowly pick back up as things are starting to reopen, but it's definitely been tough. We had to totally recess a lot of the things that we were doing before and make a pivot in our business on different strategies, different approaches, into just maintaining the bare bone minimum essentials just to you know, cover our cost and our overhead.
Mm-hmm. So what are the 1 to 2 strategies that you have used to pivot your business?
Maintaining a mentorship and a coaching with those who have seen stuff like this before. Mm-hmm. We are in the process of becoming more virtual, hence via Zoom. We're in the process of ramping up social media presence, which some of us is easy, and others, like myself, it's not so easy just because it's new for me, and maybe even some different products or services that were never top of mind before.
So what would be what are some products and services that you are in the process of pivoting that can replace some of your lost income from straight electrical work?
Well, one of the first things that we pivoted to was an indoor air quality product. It connects right to your central air system in your home, and it's installed by an electrician. What it does is it helps purify the air as it circulates throughout the home, killing some of the bacteria and viruses and mold and dust, dander, allergens and stuff like that, making the air in your home much safer to breathe, especially since a lot of us are at home now, spending a lot more time there where we used to be at the office or on the job site before.
Okay. So one of the things that it's always been said, and I love asking this question, is that smart people learn from their mistakes and wise people learn from the mistakes of others. What are the things that you've learned from your own mistakes and perhaps the mistakes of others?
I think my biggest mistake is trying to do everything myself. Find somebody who's smarter than you and does something better than you, and leverage your time and efforts and their abilities to aid and assist in the development of your organization. That's what we're doing with ours. Earlier we mentioned social media, not my strong point, so I'm reaching out to a network of people and businesses and trying to see if we can collaborate and help each other out.
Okay. So if you were sitting down with a business owner right now who's really struggling in their business, what would you tell them to give some hope to them, or maybe give some ideas or some sort of perspective to get them through this crisis?
Well, the one consistent thing in business is change, and this is a massive, sudden change. Reach out to those who have been doing it a lot longer than you have, or perhaps reach out to somebody that has a large network of people of influence. Action Coach is an organization that I've been working with for several years, and they've helped me tremendously over the years to go from working out of my garage to getting a new building and growing our team.
Great, that's super. So how can people get a hold of you if they want to talk with you, or if they need some sort of help with electrical or air purification in their home or business?
You can call us directly. Our phone number is area code 509-368-9334. You can contact us through our website as well at epicelectrician.com.
That's great. Well, thank you so much, Tieson, and it was great. Thank you for your time, and I am looking forward to seeing lots of success in your business out there.
Thanks, Kevin.